Do you know how to make a cat made out of dough? Well, I'll show you how to make one if you don't know how to. I'm Aissa, so let's start this video. So first, you have a dough. You get it and you put it on here and then make it like this. Put a little bit for the head, because you know a cat has a head. And then you roll it. Just need to roll it until it's like this, yeah. And then get two eyes, a little bit like this, maybe just come on. And put an eye there and another eye. You can put it there. It looks like this. Just press on them a little bit, and now make like the nose. So get okay, you make the nose like this, I don't know if I really done it really well, but like this, I think so. And then do the whiskers. I'm just doing 2 whiskers on each pen. Maybe you can do 3. I just don't want to. 1, 2, and another 2 here. Just roll it. 1 and another 1, 2. The face looks like this, but you need to put the cat's ears at the end. And now you make the body. You get a little bit of it, maybe a little bit more. There you go. You roll it like this, and then you make like this the body. And then you put a head. Just look because it needs to be the correct size. Okay. The head. There you go. Just get a little bit more if this happens. And then just put it on there. Just like this. It looks like a snake if it's on the floor, isn't it? And now you get a little bit of dough, and then maybe just this little. And then you make it for the back. There you go. Like this. Here. Now you make the legs. You get a little bit of dough. There you go. And then roll it. Just because. Okay, I've got 1. Now you roll the other one. There you go. And the second one just need to wrap it because it's too big. And now the third one. And done. Now you get it, you turn it. You put one leg on the side there, and the other leg on the side there, just like that. And now you put another leg on the side and the last leg there. There you go. And it looks like this. It looks like a turtle now. And now you can make the kitten a ball to sit on it or play with it. Here's a ball. Okay, I made it like a ball here. And now you need to make the ears of the kitten. Do you like cats? Well, if you do. Now you make it you shape it with your nails, like a kitty cat. Okay, perfect. I've done 1. Just a little bit cut this one, and the second one won't be that cut. And there, make it. There you go. Now just put a kitten ears on him. Put one. And I'll put a second one. It looks like this. Him. And I'll make the kitten a ball to have it and sit on it. Right like that. Maybe you can make some more. I will make 3. 1. They don't really need to be that big how that one is. 2. And the last one. 3. Then if you want, you can make the kitten some wheels. 1 wheel on the side there. 1 wheel on the side there. And the last wheel there. And then you can go with wheels like that. Do you like it? It's going with wheels. Whee! If you like this video, then like. Bye bye friends. And say bye bye to this kitten too. Bye!